Howdy YouTube, this is Charles.
And this is John.
And we are getting ready to go down to the lake property to do some swimming. We got all our beach shite all ready to go. Got some updates up on the camper. I put on these new black utility ports. John put on the new porch light. We got another utility hatch put on the other side. I have bookmarked a new city water hookup. So what we got left to do now is paint the trailer frame black, and then I'm gonna put a 1-inch black pinstripe following the lightning bolt. Then, as you can see, I left the stickers intentionally on the back here for a ghost to appear. John's gonna paint the inside of the bird blue, and then the around it blue, and then the darker part's gonna be black, and then we're gonna paint the Jayco black to kind of have that hand-painted pinstripe look. So let's boogie on down to the lake property. All right, YouTube, we are at the property in the woods. You can see there's a couple cabins going up over there on stilts. There's a boat, some flowers, and another lot over here.
Oh look, it's John.
There's John.
I'm excited.
All right, so let's take a look. So that's the edge of our property line right there. All right, so all right. In theory, we're going to be coming in here. We're going to be going around here. This here is going to be the camping pad.
This looks so much better. You can actually see the image now of the vision.
Yeah. So the camper will park here. There's another little cabin back here. Wow, definitely different, isn't it?
It is. Like, it looks like it's actually being developed.
Yep.
Careful.
Yeah, it's kind of muddy.
It's quicksandy.
Well, that's why he couldn't put the rock down. All right.
Aside from not having the rock.
Yeah, apparently there's a rock shortage.
Go figure.
So then the idea is we'll be able to come around, go around this way, and come back out.
Back out. This will be gone.
Yeah.
Nice.
He's a spider. Hello.
He's
Meow.
huge.
Yeah, he's a big one. Yeah. He's like leveling this out pretty good.
He is.
If you guys are wondering who we're having doing our work, we got Dennis Gregory, concrete placement, shotcrete, wet dry, soil stabilization, excavation, water control, fireproofing. 636-222-7808.
And he's a super cool guy.
Yeah, he seems pretty cool. He does a lot of the work out here at Goose Creek. So if you need any excavating done in the St. Louis, French Village, St. Genevieve area, give him a holler. I'm sure he'll appreciate the business.
It's amazing what a little cutting in can do.
Yeah, I wonder where we're gonna put our fire pit.
Well, if the camper's gonna be, say, right here,
Yeah.
is the camper door gonna be facing that way and the fire pit there?
No, because this is how we're gonna come in and out.
Gonna drive, yeah.
Unless he's thinking about putting the fire pit right there.
Oh, he's gonna do the fire pit?
He said he would do us a fire pit if we gathered up some other rocks.
Oh, nice.
All right, we're gonna go swimming.